How to log in or sign in eBay credit card account online. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is go to a preferred web browser, then in search address bar type down eBay credit card login and simply hit enter. You will get to see the eBay Mastercard option available there. Tap on it and navigate to the eBay Mastercard login page. Now there you can see apply now option available. Simply tap on the apply now and navigate to the applying section. Make sure that you are logged into your eBay account. So here let me just sign in using my Google account. Now once I am logged in, all I have to do is simply enter the card number SSN, the last four digit, and enter the mobile number and continue the process. After that, all you have to do is register your mobile number and card number and you will get the access to MasterCard. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.